Hi everybody. In today's video we are going to see how can we create a file in Unix and how can we see the content of the file and what all the options that we get with the commands. Okay, so let's get started. First we will see the touch command. The touch command is used to create a file, but remember it will not help you to put the content in the file. It is just to creating a file. So if you just write touch and the file name and hit enter, your file is getting created. You can see your file using ls command. And seems like my font is a bit smaller, so let me just adjust the font size. And sorry about the background noise if you hear some noise, because the construction is going on. And yeah, okay, perfect. So now you can see the file has been created, but similarly there is one more command named cat. If you just give cat and file name, it will throw you an error. We can just try it out. Yeah, as you can see, this file does not exist. So for cat we need to give a symbol greater than symbol, and then we will hit enter after giving the file name. Then we will get option to write the content in our file. We will just write 2 or 3 lines. So hi, this is my first course or file. I am learning Unix and it's quite a fun. So now now when you hit an enter, you will see you're not able to get out. So for that you need to press Ctrl D in order to save and get out of the content after writing the content. Now if you write the same command, you are able to see the content of the file. It will work because the file underscore second now exists in the file list. So yeah, so in order to use cat, you first need to create the file. So now we are able to see the content of the file using the cat and the file name. Cat also offers some options, like if you want to number your content, number the lines of your content, you can use -n and name of the file and press enter. You will see you get numbering on your content. Also cat have 2 more options, that is -s, that is used to suppress if you have any repeated empty output lines. So in this case we don't have that, so it will come up as a same. You can just see it. We just give -s and hit enter. There's nothing there's no change, as you can see. So there's one more option that cat offers, that is -b. -b is used to number the non-empty output lines. In case you have saved empty output lines, so it will number those also, but in our file we don't have any of those, as you can see. Yeah. If you find this video was helpful, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel.